Alan Foxman giving us a lot of earnings roundups right there. Let's get more on Google. We're joined by Rohit Kulkarni, Managing Director and Senior Analyst in Internet and Capital Markets Research at Roth Capital Partners. Rohit, thank you very much for giving us the time. Is this enough? Do you think these Alphabet numbers will be enough to get the stock moving again?
It's a positive surprise, as in we knew that the trends were good and they had to strike on all four things, I would say. Upside to search, upside to YouTube, upside to cloud, and better margins on the core business. I think we got 3 out of 4, so that's my rating here on Google. Again, we need to see that Google is not losing share against the upstarts that are building search. And so far, we are not seeing any signs of that. Whether in 6 months we can say the same thing, we don't know that. But I think what we see right now is Google is as strong as ever. They're generating a lot of free cash flow. They're buying back shares and also investing in AI. So a great step in the side of a lot of fear in Google stock.
One of the worries, apparently, this antitrust oversight, of course, these things tend to drag on through the courts sometimes. Do you think that's a real threat to Alphabet's growth? The regulators, particularly in the US and Europe, deciding it has too much power?
It is a significant concern in the minds of investors. In terms of fundamentals and in terms of how it changes the business, in terms of revenue generation, in partnerships with companies like Apple, it remains to be seen. But that's one of the biggest concerns on investors' ability to take a long-term view on Google. Right now, about 2 years back, it was absolutely not an issue. But right now, sitting here, it's going to be very hard for somebody to very constructively talk about what Google could look like in 18 months or 24 months, given the monopoly lawsuits that they are facing on both sides, the advertising business and as in the ad tech business and the search business. So next 6, 9, 12 months are going to be very tricky for Google and its investors to take that long-term view. We are of the opinion that Google could almost be in a heads I win, tails you lose situation, given that they have many bunnies in their hat. They can figure out the regulatory situation, and if they are, then their tech and AI prowess is good enough for Google to be a fantastic investment.
I'm a late adopter when it comes to tech, but I got to admit, I'm exploring other search options using AI, Bing / Copilot, among others. Is that a threat to Google's core franchise, rivals coming up with a better product in search?
It is. We cannot ignore that better products are emerging. Till date, people, and me included, a lot of people in the investment community believe that Google is the leader in AI. I still believe they have the chance to showcase that they are the leader in AI. But what we have seen in the last 6 months with OpenAI, Perplexity, Anthropic, and even Bing are showing products that are probably a better consumer mousetrap. How that evolves next 6, 9 months is also going to be very tricky for Google shares. So again, we like Google shares, but it's hard to make a very constructive long-term case here.
That's interesting. So give us your view. Would you be a buyer of Alphabet now?
Here, it again, what I'll say, like anyone in the markets, is depends on your time horizon.
Yes.
Here into the year end, it's going to be hard for Google, given the U.S. elections and the possible change in the U.S. government as such, or even the change of stance. Into next year, yes, possibly Google has a valuation argument to be made, but on this strength, we wouldn't be recommending investors to add on to more Google shares above and beyond, say, 4 to 5% uptick here.
So for the long term, you have confidence in them, Rohit?
Yes, absolutely. As in, Google has multi-dimensional growth and multi-dimensional profitability goals. Think of if you drive around in the San Francisco Bay Area where I'm based, you can't ignore that Google owns Waymo and the best robo-taxi company in the world. They own a lot of such other assets, including YouTube, cloud, and search. So over the longer term, yes, I feel Google is a company that will figure out the monopoly situation, figure out the new competitive dynamic versus upstarts. In the meanwhile, there is going to be tricky, kind of cloudy, turbulent times for Google investors. But longer term, say Jan 1st, 26, I think you're going to be very happy if you bought Google shares here.
Rohit, thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you.
Rohit